Today we're going to show you how to create ghosted HyperShift racing stripes for whatever reason.
No reason at all.
Because they're awesome or should be awesome. Here's the Mustang, and on this car is Onyx Performance Series, a gorgeous, aggressive, dark metallic gray. And we thought on top of the Onyx, some ZGA HyperShift stripes may look cool. Now we've done a full how to do racing stripes with Plasti Dip video tutorial several years back. That is going to be linked in the description box below. Today we're going to show you kind of the process, but if you want a step-by-step guide, this isn't the video for that. We've already done it. Today we're just having some fun. Let me show you what ZGA HyperShift looks like, at least in powder form, which doesn't look like much. But basically, it's a very bold, saturated green to blue, and because it's an interference or white powder HyperShift, it lets the base color play a role. So what you should see when we're done is a really cool ghosted greenish blue effect racing stripes, right? Are we doing this? Too late, we're doing it. All right, so let's jump in. Let me show you the car and then what we have in mind. It'll make more sense. All right, let me give you a quick overview of just what we have in mind here for the Mustang. The whole car is fully dipped in Onyx Gray Performance Series. Again, the dip is done, it's fully peelable. We're just gonna be putting the stripes on top of the existing Plasti Dip. And we're thinking that kind of classic dual stripe design where it's gonna go up from the bumper, across the hood, across the roof, and back down. Super excited to get started. Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with today's project. Now, we used 25 grams of ZGA per gallon. We only did 1 coat of pearl on top of the Onyx for the stripes. And even with just 1 coat, the color is pretty darn strong. Does it still qualify as kind of like a ghosting stripe? I don't know. If you want it to be a little bit more translucent, you can always lower the pearl per gallon, and that'll make the base coat show through even more. Then we finished the entire car in 1 wet coat of next gen satin top coat. It looks gorgeous. I'm bringing it outside right now so you guys can check it out. You know what to do. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of this car. Rate it 1 through 5 for me. If you want to dip your own car, your own wheels, your own emblems, click right up here. All of our kits are in one place for you. I had a ton of fun working on this project. I love doing something different every once in a while. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.